Welcome to Our Daily Health. Plank. 5 health benefits when you do a 1-minute plank every day. Doing planks every day has become increasingly popular, both online and offline. Many trainers and experts and gurus alike have asked us to start a daily plank routine. The experts have been encouraging people to join the plank workout trend and start doing planks daily. Many claim that by doing this exercise at least once a day, you will have washboard abs. Because a lot of people want that six-pack core, they take on challenges right away, only to fail later on down the road. In this video, we take a comprehensive look at the advantage of doing planks every day. To prepare you for daily plank practice, this video aims to provide you with essential knowledge about this exercise. Is it true that planking for a minute or so every day will help you get a six-pack? Here's what we found out. Why should you do a 1-minute plank daily? There may be a tendency among us to give in to such a challenge because of the hype that surrounds it. If you see your friend, partner, or co-workers doing planks every day, you are very likely to join them. It is beneficial to exercise, but this is not the best way to go since you do not have a particular goal in mind. You may want to start the challenge simply to impress your partner or show your support to a family member. The result may be that you throw in the towel at some point. The reason for this can be that you do not have a definite goal that will motivate you to keep up with the challenge. In light of this, you should spend some time digging into why you should begin such an exercise program. Most of the time, your goal will sync with the benefits of doing the exercises. Let's consider the value of doing planks for 1 minute each day. Let's ask the question, what is the value of doing a 1-minute plank daily? The most common thought when people think of planks is getting a six-pack. This is perhaps the most popular reason people do these exercises. Although planking is very beneficial for shaping your abdominal area, it also has other health benefits. Plank. 5 health benefits when you do a 1-minute plank every day. Number 1. A stronger core. It makes sense that we would begin with a benefit that everyone is familiar with, and that is getting ripped abs. Planks rank among the most effective when it comes to a stronger core. Crunches are often compared to planks when it comes to training your abdominals. According to WebMD, crunches are also beneficial for a lean midsection. Nevertheless, fitness experts say you must quickly move on to another ab exercise if you want crunches to blast fat. For this reason, experts recommend planks. As a result, it engages most of our ab muscles, which include the transversus abdominis, rectus abdominis, internal and external obliques. Transversus abdominis refers to the deepest abdominal muscle layer underneath the rectus abdominis. It is critical to keep in mind that you will not get flawless abs just by doing this exercise. Additionally, nutrition is key, so you should keep an eye on your diet. To lose stomach fat, eat a balanced and healthy diet that keeps you in a calorie deficit. As a result, your diet will speed up the process of getting six-pack abs. Number 2. Lose the love handles. Despite their name, these love handles do not have anything to love about them. This is simply a reference to the fat deposits around your waist. The term muffin top is often used to describe it. You must attack the fat around your waistline since muffin tops are associated with many health problems. In their study, the Mayo Clinic found that an expanded waistline is linked to increased risks of cardiovascular disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, abnormal cholesterol, and breathing difficulties. The CDC recommends maintaining various waist sizes to prevent these conditions. In general, women are advised to keep their waist sizes or circumferences under 35 inches. In contrast, men are recommended to keep theirs below 40 inches. A plank a day can help you trim down your waist. Side planks are the most effective variant of the plank to reduce love handles. Side planks target the muscles along the sides of your bodies, also known as the obliques. You may want to check with your fitness coach before attempting to do the side plank variation every day instead of the regular plank. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 3, overall health. Exercise that includes a 1-minute plank daily will also improve your health and fitness overall. By targeting various muscle groups, these exercises make a significant impact on your overall fitness. A plank targets your core and back muscles also. Other variations, such as side planks, will strengthen your abs, hips, and butt. The plank gives all these areas an excellent workout, which is why it can tone your whole body. Furthermore, you reduce the risk of obesity and other fatal health conditions by losing body fat. Among them are cancers of various types, diabetes, congestive heart failure, hypertension, stroke, coronary artery disease, osteoarthritis, and pulmonary embolism. Performing planks reduces both body fat and obesity risk, so you are less likely to develop these obesity-related health conditions. Number 4, improve your posture. It is also possible to improve your posture by performing planks every day. Since our jobs require us to sit for long periods, we can often have poor postures. It is common among us to spend most of our time working at our desks, which can affect how our backs, shoulders, and necks are positioned. As a result of arching our backs, we tend to end up with our shoulders forward. Perhaps once or twice, you were told to strengthen your back and lift your shoulders. Poor posture is more likely to occur when you spend the majority of your time sitting down. Better posture can be achieved by performing planks. Even though you are in a horizontal position, you are working the same muscles as you would if you were standing. Your back muscles are specifically being worked, helping them remain straight. This can be accomplished by engaging the glutes and the lower back, thereby preventing the back from arching. When you do this exercise consistently, it will help you maintain a straight spine. Whenever you are not exercising, you tend to maintain this posture throughout the day because humans are creatures of habit. Number 5, maintaining health. Doing planks daily can help you get a six-pack tummy. Keep in mind that diet plays a big role, so pay attention to your lifestyle. When you drink too much alcohol or eat junk foods, muffin tops and belly fat are unlikely to disappear. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is even more important than rippling abs. Bottom line, with these facts in mind, there is a better chance of success. With a healthy diet and a 1-minute plank every day, you are on your way to the ripped abs and strong core that you always wanted. Which of these health benefits of plank do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.